Welcome everyone. So let's just start into the unboxing. So here we have it's a normal typical box. So it is a mechanical keyboard and has blue switches, and it does not contains the official Cherry MX blue switches. It has some replicas, but I would say that its replicas are of a fine quality. So it will be obviously better than normal keyboard which we use in day-to-day life. So here we go. We would just open it up. Let me figure it out. First, we have nothing on the front of it, just a keyboard and in a normal packaging. So let me just remove it from here. So here we have it, and I would like to tell you that it has a braided cables in it and nothing else except some booklets. So let me just keep the box aside. So here we have the keyboard itself. So as you can see, escape key is out. If you want to check it out, then just go in the description. I have provided some links for a very affordable and a good quality of mechanical keyboards over there, so you can also have a look over there. And now talking about it, I would be bringing a in detailed review about this product. So if you want to know more about this, then just stay tuned. And I would like to tell you that it's the best time right now to buy a mechanical keyboard, since Cosmic Bytes keyboard stock is back. So you can check out the link I've provided in the description. Speaking again about it, so it's a very good quality keyboard, I would say. Although it's and Cosmic Bytes quality both are same, and nothing is different much except it has a little extended armrest. But we would surely be looking on it in the future review video. So thank you for being here.